Môre julle, verskriklik opgewonde. Ons is by Boskop met die eerste TikTok kompetisie.
Ja.
Mense, dit was nag vanoggend met al die karre wat ingekom het. Ons is oor die 40 penne. So dis 80 hengelaars op die oewer. Mense,
Vandag se spanne kompetisie. So daar's 2 ouens per pen. So Christian sê daar's 40, daar's 41 penne en dit's 2 maal 2, so dit's 82.
dis 82.
Hengelaars wat hengel en almal is nou op hulle penne. Ons het vanoggend 'n pentrekking gedoen. Ons het vir elke ou 2 sakkies voer gegee en ons het 'n paar verrassings vandag. Ek en Christian hengel saam. Ons het 'n klomp van die TikTok influencers en onthou 'n ou dink baie keer dit is die manne wat vir julle meer vertel van wat hulle doen, hoe hulle leer. Jy weet nie almal is pros nie, maar hulle wys julle presies hoe hulle op hulle leerproses gaan en dit is so goed vir hengel want hengel wil groei in Suid-Afrika. As ek kyk hoeveel ouens is excited hier vanoggend, dit is vir my en Christian net so lekker.
Nee, kyk en dit is die waarheid mense. Dis nie net altyd kompeterende hengel nie. Dit is wat ook die Legends sosiale klub so lekker maak want
Ja.
dis is die normale ou wat wil kom leer en dit is lekker om hulle langs die water te hê. Die juniors, mense,
Ja.
dis ongelooflik en junior hengel groei so. Dis ook hierdie naweek die skole.
Skolekompetisie. So ons is vandag ook betrokke by die skolekompetisie by Flamingo Bay, is die laerskole en dan môre is die Gauteng of Sentra Gauteng hoërskole. En Legends en Legacy het 'n passie vir ontwikkeling van kinders, die Little Legends. So dankie vir al die ouens wat daarso uithelp en al ons goedjies doen. Ek en Christian is excited. Ons gaan nou 'n bietjie visvang. Ons sal julle vertel deur die dag hoe dit werk. 12:00 is die eerste inweeg. Die 2 grootste visse per pen tel. So die ouens hoef nie sakke vol vis te vang nie. Dit is winter. 2 visse per pen.
Ja,
Kom ons
that's it.
kyk wat
That's
happens. Sien julle net.
My naam is Rian Swart, ek is van Klerksdorp af en dan my partner is Hannes en
Julle span Willehonde.
die Willehonde. Net so die Willehonde.
Nou
En
Rian, het julle al vis gekry vandag?
ja, nee ons het onder 'n klein geelietjies pla bietjie, maar ons het daarom al 'n karpie en 'n graskarpie in die net.
Lekker.
So ons is dankbaar
Julle is
daarvoor.
op die bord.
Sê weer?
Julle is op die bord.
Ja, nee, ons is daar. Ons is daar.
Vertel my afstande wat julle hengel.
Afstande op hierdie stadium is dit 'n 65 en 'n 80.
Okay.
En ons kyk maar hoe loop die dag. Die dag is redelik koel, die water is koel.
Ja.
So moet jy dieper water moet jy opsoek. Vlakwater op hierdie stadium is bietjie koud vir die vis, so die metabolisme is ook baie stadiger van die vis, so jy moet maar baie geduldig wees.
So dit is 'n goeie wenk vir julle ouens. Soos Rian sê, moenie haastig wees nie, los jou stokke, die visse eet minder en jy weet, jy kry daai bietjie groter vis as jy geduldig is. So nee, sterkte. Ek hoop jy en Hannes kap hulle. Ek sien hierso af is daar 'n paar visse al, maar julle het 2 op die bord en dit's al wat jy kort, 2 groot visse.
Dis hy. Baie
So,
dankie.
Baie dankie Rian, waardeer
Dis
dit.
hy. Lekker dag vir julle. Veilig wees.
Okay guys, I'm here with Tony and Wimpy on Peg 8. What's your team name, Tony?
Lipstick.
Lipstick, so don't pick up your lipstick. They're currently in front. Yeah. Tony caught a very nice carp, I heard. Tell us a bit more about it.
Well, I decided to go this morning with 2 soft floats.
Okay.
Actually a garlic float and a gumtree float, and
Nice.
5 minutes, and just
How
Like
far
I said,
are you catching it at?
about 100 meters. Yeah.
100 meters. You cast it 5 minutes.
That's
took off.
it. It just real. It just ran, and yeah, it was actually a nice fish. So we're glad we caught it.
No, when I saw the photos and things, everyone's talking about, fishermen sometimes tell tales, and they were talking about the 5 to 6 kilogram carp that's out here. Tony says he guesses about 2.5, 3 kilos, but that's still the biggest one that I've heard of on the bank today. There's a lot of guys with 2 fish, but both smaller fish.
Yeah.
So guys, you just need one more
Yes,
nice
yeah.
size one.
I'm waiting for Wimpy.
And Wimpy is not.
He's the barber guy.
He always catches those big barbers or the big grassies.
Yeah.
I've seen him. So no, good luck. I hope you guys catch a few of them, and we'll see you at 12 o'clock.
Thank
Then
you.
the first weigh-in happens, then we can see what
12 o'clock.
at 12 o'clock.
Where? There?
And no, they're coming past. So
Okay.
each guy, then we're going to weigh from that side 2 to 2,
Okay.
and then we can see where we're sitting on the leaderboard.
Lekker guys, it's John Meiberg hierso boys. Ons is vandag hierso by Boskop by die Valdam. Boys vir Legends Pro Angling se eerste TikTok visvang kompetisie. So ja, ek dink vandag wel my wenkombinasie gaan Sosa Losa se Green TCP wees, die floats. En dan het ek ook nuwe produkte om te probeer. Dit is Spartacus, dis Gladiator en Mahu. Hy is nog nuut boys, hy's nog eers uit op die mark nie. Hy het hom vir my gegee om te probeer. En dan ook Topshot boys, dis Tracer plus Mava poeier. So, julle ken almal daai Mava poeier wat almal van praat. Legends Pro Angling het nou saam met die manne van Mava het hulle na hande gevat en is 'n hele nuwe produk wat op die mark kom, so ek probeer hom vandag en as ek wen is dit die rede. Daar's hy boys.
Sheldon hier van Kaap Nights. Sover 'n lekker dag. Goeie begin. Eerste visie vir die oggend. Sê.
Okay guys, I'm here with Carp Nights 2, Euclid and Sheldon. They've weighed 2 fish already. Both largemouth yellowfish. I saw it's coincidence they're exactly the same size. So they've got a kilogram, 2 fish. Have you upgraded anything since then?
No, we've got a carp still in the net.
Okay.
Small carp in the net.
Okay, no, but you guys are doing well. Today's a difficult day. The guys are struggling. Any tips for the guys that aren't catching as much fish as you?
Distance.
Distance. Further, better. But guys, I hope you enjoy it and thanks for joining us. We appreciated your support and hopefully we can come weigh that big one at 12 o'clock. Okay, guys, I'm here with Ruben. They peg number 7 and he'll introduce their team.
I'll say lekker. Saza Outdoors, and it's basically just short for Scottish Adventure ZA. So,
Okay, and they, Ruben's quite popular on the TikTok channel. He does a lot of content on TikTok, YouTube and Facebook as well.
yeah.
So guys, you can follow him there. How's it going today?
It's been quiet, very quiet so far, but it seems like it's quiet all over on this side. So yeah, winter conditions, it's difficult at Walda. We all know it's not how can I say, you're going to catch 10 fish plus, you have to get one. So,
I think the difference is going to be today the guys that are patient, that know, remember we only have to catch 2 fish per peg, so that's why we changed the rules a bit. 2 fish per peg makes it possible for anyone to win.
Yeah, that's
Especially on a day like this, if someone can catch a nice big grassy or a big yellowfish, largemouth yellow, then you can win.
Yeah,
So
for
no,
sure.
everyone's in it until the end. Thank you guys for coming and thank you very much for all your content. We set up this competition to give the content creators a chance, remember that, to meet each other and to interact, and I mean that's why fishing is growing in South Africa, because the guys that create content, we're all not professional anglers, but we enjoy the sport. And I think for the guys watching, you can definitely follow him. He does great content of all freshwater, seawater, trout fishing. I've seen everything. So no, thank you very much.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah,
Awesome, guys.
no.
Any luck?
Yeah, I got a yellow.
Okay, well that's
size, yeah.
that's
One
excellent.
yellow size.
Yeah, well, on our side, the same thing. We caught a few yellows, but nothing really big.
Yeah, but that's it. Yeah, we've got a Barbara stock in there. Some Maximus flooded it. Let's see what happens.
That's excellent news. I also have my barber rod in, and let me tell you, that's the one that I'm not taking out, because you can bank on that. If you
Yes.
get a fish there, it's going to help your bag immensely.
Hey, ek is hier saam met Gavin. Ons is op pen 19 dink ek. Wat
Yes.
is julle spannaam, Gavin?
Wit Rasta Fishing.
Wit Rasta Fishing. Jy kan sien die dreads loop hier. En hulle het julle al iets gekry?
Yes, ons
Wat-
het al.
wat
Ons
het julle
al 'n karpie gevang en enetjie verloor, maar ja, ons sal hulle nog kry. Dag is nog jong.
Ons almal weet in die kompeterende hengel, winter is nie die beste tyd vir vis nie, so ons moet net geduldig wees. Hulle gaan kom en ou moet net wag, né?
Ja,
Wat se
ek sal
advies
sê-
het jy vir die ouens as hulle in die winter kom vis maak?
My advies sal sê gooi diep en lê lank.
Gooi diep en lê lank. Daai is daar gaan hy. Daar
Daar
gaan
gaan hy MP, mooi. Daar vat hy put alweer.
hy. Ja, daar's 'n mooi run, hè.
Saggies. Wag gou bra, laat ek hy katron net vir jou stel. OK. Hier's 'n mooi vis, bra. Wag. Laat hy loop. OK, hier's hy.
Ja,
Dis
dis 'n mooi
hy.
kop.
Jy sê my chommy. Sien ek het jou gesê daai nee, staan nie daar doodstil my bra. Ja, ek weet, dis hy. Relax net, stadig, rustig. Kap dit soos wat jy doen nog die hele tyd. Jy doen goed my vriend. MP kom jy stadig nader na my toe. Stadig my bra. Kom. En as jy voel hy wil gaan, hè, dan sak jy die stok stadig bietjie. Hier's hy. Ja. Ja, is dit skooter.
Okay, julle het gesien, hierdie twee manne het nou net 'n ongelooflike mooi vis gevang. Hoe voel dit? Dit lyk nie of
Dit is altyd lekker om 'n vis te vang. So.
en Gavin instruct jou mooi. Hy sê wees kalm, staan nie.
Ja.
Jy weet, thanks Gavin. Dit is jy weet die gees van dit ouens moet saamwerk en dit is hoekom jy 'n penmaat het om daai vis te land. Is 'n regtig 'n spesiale vis op 'n dag soos vandag.
Yes.
Ek dink jou bene bewe as jy hom try uitdak om in te sit. Maar ek dink daai is die voorloper vir die dag. Hoeveel skal jy omskat as jy moet
So
sê?
4 kilos dink ek. Dalk bietjie meer, 5.
So as jy moet skat wie as iemand moet wen met 2 vis 8 kg, sal hy wen.
Yes, as jy 2 sulke groot vis kry, ja.
Ja.
Maar ek dink, vandag die vis wat ek gesien uitkom,
Nee.
dit's maar alles klein.
So as jy daai in 'n 1 of 'n 2 kg dink ek jy het 'n redelike goeie posisie. So
Ja.
julle loop voor. Well done. Mooi vis.
Hoop so.
Gavin. Ons gaan nou kom aanvra. Julle sal sien Johan de Klerk sit sy naam hier op. Hy het dit ontwikkel saam met ons en ek bedoel as jy jou naam op iets sit en jy's 'n wêreldkampioen, glo jy daarin. En in die winter wil jy iets hê met kleur, geur en 'n baie goeie voedingswaarde en dit's waar Mava inkom. Met ons produkte het ons ongelooflike kleur, geur en ons wil dit geboost het met nog proteïene sodat daai groot karpe kan inkom en ons het Mava.
En dan het ons dit in een van ons dips ingemeng en ons noem hom Top Shot.
Dit is die Tracer met Mava Enhanced en dan het ons 'n tweede een, die alombekende Gladiator met Manu. Manu is nog nie beskikbaar op die mark nie. Oom Johan de Klerk het soveel energie en tyd daarin gesit om daai ding te perfek en ons is een van die eerste ouens wat dit nou in hierdie produk het. Gladiator ken julle, is ons FX karamel, baie kleurgeur en nou het ons hom enhanced met Manu. Manu is 'n tipe van 'n ui proteïen aminosure
Aminosure.
en dan die Mava is meer 'n garlic-erige reuk as jy dit kan beskryf. So hier is die eerste twee vir julle, een van die dae in die winkels beskikbaar. Kry julle bestellings in. Ons gaan hulle 'n bietjie vandag vir 'n paar ouens uitdeel en kyk wat maak dit en ja, ons gaan net 'n lekker dag hê.
Ja.
Ons is hier by die eerste TikTok kompetisie en as julle nie in ons klub is nie, asseblief sluit aan. Ons het 'n sosiale klub, Chris.
Ja, nee, kyk en mense, dis ongelooflik. Dis lekker om jong mense daar te hê en dis lekker om mense te help in hulle proses met hengel.
Ja.
So mense die sosiale klub is ongelooflik.
So kry jy die twee Spartacus en Topshot.
Topshot.
Spartacus en Topshot. Onthou daai name, hulle gaan groot gaan hierdie seisoen. Kry hom in die winter, gaan vang hy groot Kaaps. Hy's PVA friendly. Jy kan hom op die ouens wat karthengel, die ouens wat papgooi soos ons, jy sit hom op die bil met enige kombinasie. Hy sit daai proteïene daarso, kleur, geur, die beste wat jy kan kry. Okay guys, I'm here with Josh. They peg 18. What's your team name?
Carp Flex.
Carp Flex, you know, flex it.
Flexing with the yellow now.
When we came past, we saw you caught another yellowfish. Tell us what you're using. You're catching quite a lot of
So
fish.
on the hook I used Maximus carp, and on the bomb the new Top Shot and Target, which is like a coconut mix.
Okay, and the top shot you guys know is the Yonder Clark combined with our product Tracer, and that gives it more protein and it looks like it's working. Josh is catching quite a lot of fish constantly, not the big ones yet, but we're going to work on that.
No, definitely.
We'll get them, but yeah, let's get this yellowfish back and hopefully we can show you just now again. Cheers,
100%.
Josh.
Cheers.
All right,
There we go.
we are with Fishing with Rylan.
There we go.
What an amazing day. It's a nice sunny day.
It is.
Not too much wind.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm actually blanking right now. I'm not ashamed to say it, but I think there's a fish in store. So stay tuned. I know something's gonna come out. But my man Socks in the building so far got a yellow for us, but wasn't more than 30 centimeters. So.
But we keep our faith. We're going to catch them just now. If you have a line in the water, you can catch a fish.
There we go.
Just next door to them now, they came out a baby 4-5 kg carp.
Yo, check the clip. I took a lacquer clip also. Yo, and the yellow rod is a little bit shy today. I don't know what's going on, guys. But
Just show the guys what he's talking about. If you don't follow Fishing with Rylan on TikTok, please do. It's an awesome channel, lots of nice fishing content. He's got that yellow rod and that's his famous yellow rod.
correct. I think I'm the only guy that brought a 7-foot to this comp. And let's.
Maybe that's why the black's on.
Yeah, no, I know. But hopefully something comes out from the day. I'm keeping positive. I'm gonna
Tell
be
them where they can follow you and get your content.
Oh, on TikTok, Fishing with Rylan, guys. Go check it out. You'll see some awesome videos. I try to do challenges. And also, I just want to give a big thanks to you guys.
Pleasure.
Much appreciated for having this awesome day. And then also Nachi's Bush Camp. They sponsored us today. That's why we're here. They came through for us, and yeah, check it out. The channel, everything. You'll see a lot of today's fish that a lot of people pulled out. I got some nice clips. So yeah, Fishing with Rylan on TikTok. Check it.
Guys, and that's why we do these competitions. A lot of our guys are TikTok influencers that want guys to learn about fishing. They enjoy the sport. And we just want to grow the sport. We're not all the best, like he says. If you blank, you blank. But we have a passion for it, and as we learn, we teach the other guys how to do what we don't make the same mistakes we do. Learn from our mistakes, do things better. And if we find a secret, we tell you the secret. So guys, thanks, Socks. I hope
Thank you so much.
catch another one, help this guy out. Because he's got a disability here with the yellow rod.
Yeah, we're gonna make up for it.
You're going to make up for it, but we'll see you guys later and hopefully we'll have a few nice photos.
Awesome.
Cheers, guys. Guys, I'm here with Hector from Tshwane Angling Club number 3. There's 3 of them representing 3 teams today. Hector, welcome to the TikTok competition.
Thank you, man.
I see these guys are braaiing here, so we just came and look a bit.
Yeah, it's the right time to eat now. The fish is not eating. Maybe we should eat. We'll get something there.
Have you caught something this morning?
From morning, we only caught a yellowfish, but the size was not good to even measure it.
Okay.
But we're still trying to get combinations. As you can see, I've got all my legends things here.
Yeah. Aniseed, the red aniseed.
Yeah.
We're busy with
there's this other new one, the new kid on the block.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top Shot, Hector is one of the few guys that have seen it even. So today is a very difficult fishing day, Hector.
Yeah, it's
it
very
is cold,
difficult.
it's winter,
Eish.
but we have faith and we know the fish are going to bite. At 2:30 we're stopping, at 12 o'clock we're weighing our first weigh. The wind started picking up a bit, it's
Yeah,
good.
it's good, it's good, it's good. You know, it's not over until the fat lady sings. So I will wait for the final buzzer.
And then we'll see.
And then we'll see. But I still have faith in myself. I believe in me and I believe in these products. Something will happen.
So guys, let's hold thumbs. Hopefully we can catch a few nice fish this afternoon. But thanks Hector, thanks for supporting us. And guys, if you, you know, the whole TikTok idea is make content, let the guys start fishing. I know your club's doing a lot for anglers coming into the sport.
Yes.
So guys, go follow them. They got a nice club and they have lots of competitions. In November you've got a competition again.
Yeah, it's on August.
August
we have a competition. And for now we have 19 teams already that are going to be competing on the competition. And it's going to be held at a College Plus.
Yes. So guys, look on Facebook. They've got a Facebook page. Join that competition. You can come as an individual, you can come as a club and support these guys. They do a lot for fishing. We'll
All
see
right.
you just now.
Thank you guys.
How was your day?
My day was so fantastic, but the dam was so difficult.
It was a difficult day. Let me tell you, the yellows killed me and anyway.
Yeah, we caught only yellows, but I think maybe it's because of the rain.
Yeah, and the dam level have changed in the last week a couple of times, up and down, and so it was difficult. But I'm so glad that you came.
Yeah, I'm also glad for the invitation and
Yeah.
also to meet new people and make new friends.
Yeah.
Because fishing is all about making friends. And
Exactly,
enjoying yourself.
exactly, and it's nice next to the water. And thank you for everything that you're also doing for Legends.
Thank you very
We
much.
appreciate it.
I also really appreciate the opportunity that you gave me, so that I can also showcase my talent and also groom young boys to also come into the sport.
Yeah, definitely. And tell me, what can we change to make it even more better?
Time. I believe that maybe if we can increase time. Yeah, time was not on our side. Remember, sometimes you need to first study and understand the dam.
Yeah.
And then once you start getting your rhythm, it's already late.
Yeah.
So I think the time factor is what we can change. And another thing, we also have to encourage more women to partake in this.
Oh,
work.
definitely, definitely. The Berend Claassen is one of our sponsors, and I'm also involved in them. And I had 3 ladies.
Oh, there's ladies that side.
Catching on that side. So I'm very, very blessed that we got them next
No,
to the dam.
it's a good thing. Even the young ones,
Yeah.
maybe the under 10,
Yeah.
under 12, whatsoever.
Yeah, no, that's what it's about.
But the competition was really well organized. I really appreciate everything. Was 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I know you are going to drive far, but there's a few lucky draws as well. So just quickly meet us before you go home.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate
Thank you for being next to the water with us.
People don't know me. I'm the best fisherman in town. Even if I didn't catch, but I'm still the best fisherman in town.
Excellent. Okay, and tell me, we've got 10 minutes left.
Yes.
How did it go?
Well, on our side, it went very slow and it didn't go well, but we had some yellowfish there that we caught. So we hope it, you know.
No, the yellowfish killed us today, yeah?
Exactly. We just came in, but anyway, it's another experience.
Yeah.
It's another experience and there's more to come, you know.
Listen, from Legends side, we are so thankful that you guys are here.
Yes.
Tell me, what can we do to make it even better?
Look, I think we on our site, we will also notify most of the guys in our community areas, like the guys we're fishing with, because they sometimes they don't know about these products, legends, and the other competition. So we want to encourage most of them to come participate in this.
I mean, and that's the one sport where we can do something brilliant.
Exactly, and meeting people and meeting different anglers and explaining a lot. You know.
No, but we are thankful.
Yes.
From our side, we thank you for being here on our day. We appreciate it immensely.
I really appreciate.
From where are you?
From Klepgat.
Okay, so
I'm from Klepgat, but I'm normally fishing at Rodikopis.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, in Bradstad.
Yeah.
Baie dankie aan almal wat hier was vandag. Dit was 'n ongelooflike dag. Ek glo ons het dit almal geniet. Ons het nie baie groot visse gevang nie, maar ons het baie vis gevang. So dit's al wat tel. Ek wil dankie sê vir die borge, jy weet, De Beer & Klaasen. Dit's 'n prokureursfirma in Sasolburg. Hulle het al die prysgeld geborg vandag. Dan het dankie gee julle hand. Dan het Legends Pro Angling pryse gegee ook. En ek weet TLCA van Sasolburg het 'n prys gegee. Baie dankie aan Zynele en dan aan Zaid van Southside Angling. Hulle het ook 'n nette en goed gegee. So baie dankie aan al die winkels wat ons support het vandag. En dan kom dit by die hengelaars. Ons gaan vandag die top 10 pryse vir die ouens gee. En dan het ons 10 pryse wat ons 'n lucky draw gaan doen. So asseblief moenie waai nie. Al het jy nie baie vis gevang nie, ons gaan 'n lucky draw doen en jy kan ietsie wen. In the third position, Carp Knights 1 with 2.3 kilograms. Well done, guys. Give them a hand of applause. Well done. Julle kry groter checks hier so, né?
Ja.
Well done,
né?
Laat ek julle sê, hierdie span klink soos girls met 'n lipstick, maar hulle is nie. Hulle is tweede plek en Team Lipstick. Kom op. Hulle het 2.7 kg gevang. Well done, Tony.
Well done. Okay.
We're at our main prize today. I was there, I witnessed the catch. It was quite sad to know I didn't catch such a big fish today, but it was a good fight and they worked as a team together to get that fish out. I think we'll see on the video that he still had the mic on and he says, Rustig, rustig. So today's winners for the first TikTok competition and bragging rights to say you're the TikTok champion of 2026, Wit Rasta Fishing. Vat dit net rustig.
Well done.
Well done, julle. Die totale kilos is 3.9 kg en dit het bestaan uit 'n karp en wat was die tweede vis? 2 karpe. 3.9 kg.
Okay julle, ons kom nou uit die einde van hier nog 'n episode. Ongelooflike dag hier langs die water en ons staan met die wenners van die eerste TikTok kompetisie. Raymond, hoe stel die manne voor?
Ja, kyk, dit is Team White Rasta. Julle kan julle self voorstel, it's Gavin.
Ek is Gavin.
Ek is Martin.
Gavin en Martin het 'n karp gevang toe ek daar was wat mooi is en het jy die ander een?
Yes, ek het die
So hierdie twee manne het mooi saamgewerk. Ek het gesien, hulle is op die video so julle sal sien. vandag is 'n ongelooflike dag gewees want dit is hier gewees vir die ouens wat social media following. Ek weet Gavin, wat julle handle op
Ek is
TikTok?
Wit Rasta my nou en hy is King MP.
So follow op TikTok. Onthou die ouens op TikTok skep heeltyd content en dit help julle om te leer wat om te doen, wat om nie te doen nie en julle kan sien is legit inligting. Rasta en sorry, Martin het die regte goed vandag gebruik, anders sou hulle nie die visse gevang het nie.
Want kyk, die vis het uitgekom, maar die geeles het al die manne langs die oewer doodgemaak. Maar dit was nog steeds 'n spesiale, ongelooflike dag en dit was 'n ongelooflike atmosfeer wat ons gehad het. So ons is baie dankbaar.
Ja, so ons nee, pleasure, thanks. En hulle het nou 5000 bokke om te gaan spandeer. Dankie aan ons borgers vir die video, De Beer en Klaasen, Legends Pro Angling. Ons waardeer julle altyd en ons gaan wees so kompetisie hou. Asseblief kyk uit vir dit. Kom word deel van die hele TikTok content creation visvang gemeenskap. En ons sien julle op die volgende video.
Kom kyk of julle die Rasta en vir MP kan beat.
Ja, volgende jaar Raining Champs.
Next one.